The P0042 code indicates a problem with the heater circuit in your car's Bank 1 Sensor 3 oxygen sensor. This sensor is downstream of the catalytic converter and monitors its efficiency. The heater ensures the sensor reaches optimal operating temperature quickly for accurate readings. A fault in this circuit triggers the P0042 code. The oxygen sensor needs to reach temperatures around 600 to 800 degrees Fahrenheit to function correctly. The heater circuit, powered by 12 volts from the car's computer or PCM, rapidly heats the sensor. This is especially important during cold starts to ensure the sensor works quickly. This proper heating ensures accurate air-fuel mixture management and helps reduce vehicle emissions. The most common causes of the P0042 code include a faulty oxygen sensor itself, which accounts for 50 to 60% of cases. This requires replacement of the sensor. Damaged wiring harnesses are another frequent issue, often due to corrosion, shorts, or opens in the electrical connections. Blown fuses or relays related to the heater circuit can interrupt the power supply to the sensor. Problems with the PCM or ECU are rare, occurring in less than 10% of cases, but can cause control issues. Environmental factors like moisture can also contribute to circuit failures over time. Start by visually inspecting the wiring and connectors leading to the Bank 1 Sensor 3 oxygen sensor. Look closely for any signs of damage, corrosion, or loose connections. Next, check the relevant fuses in your car's fuse box. These protect the heater circuit and can blow if there's an electrical issue. A multimeter can be used to check for continuity in the wiring. This helps identify if there are any breaks or shorts in the heater circuit. To diagnose the P0042 code, use a multimeter to check the resistance of the heater circuit. Connect the multimeter probes to the heater circuit wires and measure resistance. A very high resistance over 10,000 ohms indicates an open circuit, meaning the connection is broken. A low resistance under 100 ohms suggests a short circuit, where current bypasses the intended path. Also check the voltage at the heater circuit connector with the ignition on. You should see approximately 12 volts. If the oxygen sensor itself is faulty, replacement is necessary. First, ensure you purchase the correct replacement sensor for your vehicle's make, model, and year. Disconnect the vehicle battery to prevent electrical issues during replacement. Locate the oxygen sensor on the exhaust system. It is typically threaded into the exhaust pipe. Carefully disconnect the electrical connector from the sensor. Use an oxygen sensor socket to remove the old sensor by turning counterclockwise. Install the new oxygen sensor and tighten it properly using the socket. Reconnect the electrical connector and vehicle battery. The oxygen sensor replacement is complete. The heater circuit should now function properly, allowing accurate exhaust monitoring. If damaged wiring is the culprit, repair or replace the affected section of the harness. Use proper wiring connectors and ensure a secure, weatherproof connection. Consider using dielectric grease to prevent corrosion in the future, especially in areas prone to moisture. After addressing the issue, clear the P0042 code using an OBD2 scanner. Drive the vehicle to allow the system to run its diagnostics and confirm that the code does not return. If the code reappears, further troubleshooting may be required, potentially indicating a PCM issue or a persistent wiring problem.